Today, I'm showing you some of my favorite Temu finds, and I've got some huge savings and discounts for you. I'm Jamie, the Crafty DIY Guy. All right, you guys, so you know how you find those random things online and you convince yourself, do I really need these? And the answer is absolutely yes. That is what is happening to me lately when I'm shopping on Temu. Honestly, some of these items ended up being way better than I expected. And there's one item I'm going to have a vote on, but we'll get to that in just a second. Again, spring is here. Spring is basically here. And I've been in full refresh mode. I've been upgrading little things around my house. I've been finding fun organization ideas, some lifestyle upgrades even, and of course some DIY finds. And I'm doing this without spending a fortune. In today's video, it is sponsored by Temu, but honestly, it kind of worked out perfectly because there is a huge savings event going on right now, and I'm going to tell you all about it. And then we are going to get into all of the goodies. And it's not quite as many as my typical haul, but it's a lot of really good items. Now, before I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to pick up, we are going to walk through how you can take advantage of these deals. But you have to do one thing, and this is very important. Be sure that you are using a fresh email to register as a new user, which not only can make these amazing deals available for you for this specific event, but you also get the additional benefit for the flash sale. Yes, there is a flash sale as well. There are going to be 2 different coupon codes. So right now, all Temu app users can get free $100 coupon bundle using my code that you're going to see right here on screen. Again, you can save $100 using code KAA3488. Now, what you want to do is you want to open the Temu app, you want to go to that search bar, and you want to type in my code KAA3488. And that is very simple. And what it's going to do is it's going to show you all the wonderful things that I'm going to show you today. And if you're a new user, you can actually get up to 70% off, which means some of the items in this video, they're going to be like insanely cheap. And they're also doing a flash sale deals too. So if you put in this code, you are going to get the flash deal sale. So that's KNH7975. So one quick tip, if you've already used a Temu account before, use a fresh email when signing up, because that helps unlock that new user deal and the flash deals. And definitely do it quickly, because the new user pricing is only valid for 24 hours after claiming the coupon code. So again, this is a great way to save some money. And now we're going to get into the items that I ordered, because honestly, some of these genuinely surprised me. All right, you guys, so the first item I have is this kind of antique looking like soap dispenser. This is perfect for your bathroom. This is also very good for your kitchen. What I like about this is it's a wood, and then it's also got a very easy top where you can very easily fill it up with your favorite hand lotion, soap, dishwashing liquid, kind of anything like that. And I really do like this. By the way, QR codes and everything are going to be on screen here, so you have these to be able to look for. Again, if you're putting in that coupon code, these items that I purchased are going to be uploaded automatically for you, so you do have the option to kind of add those instantly. This is available in a couple different sizes again, and it's got that really cool kind of industrial antique vibe that I really like, and I'm actually really excited about that one. So the next item, this is also something that definitely exceeded my expectations, and this is the kind of a decorative element, but these look like they're wood, and I'm curious too because they feel like wood. I'm pretty sure they are wood, but just a decorative kind of wooden knot. These types of things look so good in the living room on top of a tiered tray, on top of a stack of books. So many fun ways that you can decorate with these. And honestly, I think I'm going to try and paint mine and paint them like a blue or something, you know, me and my favorite color blue, and we will see what these are all about. Now, if you are paying attention to the background here, you may be seeing this really cool desk organizer. This desk organizer kind of gives you like a little bit of an apothecary. I think that's how you say it. Let me know in the comments because I always say that word wrong. But this very cool kind of drawer system. How perfect is this for organization? It's got this great kind of font on it that makes it look like it's like a French antique, like you found it in a French pharmacy or something. I really did like this. Let me try and put this down without destroying everything. I like too that it's got these tabs in the front where you can insert, like if you're labeling this or anything and you want to keep this very organized. Such a great way to display like some paint markers or pens or different things here in the craft room that I'm actually really, really excited about. This is another item that I received that is my kind of wow item. The packaging, first of all, on this was so secure. It was so beautiful, but look at this decorative bowl. This is so good for a coffee table, a end table, a nightstand. You can put your jewelry or something. It's kind of made out of a resin. It's black. It does come in available colors. I think white is the other color that this is available in, but it's just got this beautiful like fluted design. It looks really, really high end. You know me and a can of spray paint, like I'm always thinking about spray painting things, and I originally thought maybe I would spray paint this like a copper or a bronze, but honestly, I think I'm gonna keep it exactly the way it is because this one definitely exceeded my expectations. I'm really, really happy with this bowl. I love the size of it as well, and you can see how it was displayed on my coffee table. I really do like that. That was definitely a win for me. Now the next item, you know me and Temu jewelry. I've always got to have a piece of Temu jewelry, and this ring was one that I really did want to try. I should have probably opened this one beforehand. This is actually very, very nice. Look at the stones in there. You can see that there's kind of a clear stone in the middle, and then it's got those kind of sapphire-y stones looking on the side. I will definitely have a closer view of it up here for you guys, but it fits perfectly. The sizing for Temu jewelry for me has always been right on point. There's never been anything. I love the gold color in this. I love the stone and how it's clear, and it kind of, you know, even it literally is clear because you can see my skin tone kind of behind it. But such a great, great ring, and it fits on both fingers. And who knows, maybe I'll have a ring on this finger sometime soon. But let's go to the next item. We won't drive down that rabbit hole just yet. I love a journal. I love a book. I love being able to take notes. And this is kind of a leather-bound looking journal. It's got this great compass on the front. And it just kind of gives you that old world book feel. And what I did like about this particular journal is that it is lined pages. You can choose to do lines or no lines. It does come with kind of the built-in bookmark, and it's also got these kind of like these adhesive temporary kind of tags. So this is great because you can write multiple things in it. You can organize different things in it. And again, such a great way. And this one also has, by the way, 2 different kind of built-in bookmarks. So you can also organize yourself that way. Another thing that I did notice about this book that I did like, it's got pockets here in the front so you can carry some paperwork and different things. And then you've got this elastic cording on the outside so you can kind of keep this sealed when you're not. And then there's also a pen holder. Like, how functional and amazing is this? I'm going to definitely be using this. I have been kind of keeping journals lately and just kind of keeping myself accountable with like health and fitness. But this particular one I think is going to be dedicated to kind of my DIY and crafting space. Although this one could be a really good journal too, because again, so many options, right? So many great options. All right, this next item I was blown away by. I could not believe how good this was. This is a watch. This is a men's watch. Could absolutely be worn for a ladies' watch as well. I have been wanting to wear this watch so badly since I got it, but I wanted to save it for you guys. How amazing and classy is this watch? I love the way this feels. It absolutely feels incredible. It's got a great weight to it. It's not the heaviest watch, but it's also not a light, like flimsy kind of watch by any means. The band does need to be broken in just a little bit, so it's not quite so stiff, but I mean, come on, you guys. Look how amazing this is. This is a great watch. It's got a little tab here too to prevent the watch battery from running out, which I appreciate. You can see it's got a kind of the ticking movement to it. How great is this watch? This is such a good summertime watch. And if you've got a watch fan, I'm gonna tighten this up just a little bit. If you got somebody in your family that's a watch fan, like, come on. I'm obsessed with watches. I have like, I'm embarrassed to say this, but I think I have like 35 watches. And keep in mind, I'm old. And so I've also collected watches for quite a while. So don't give me any sass. I like watches and I love being able to get them, especially this stylish and saving money. Hello. Another thing I love, if you know me really well. I love shoes. I'm a huge shoe person. When I saw these, I jumped on it. I love a good loafer. I love a good slip-on. This is a brown patent leather loafer. Look how fun these are going to be. I'm so excited to wear these. I have tried them on. They fit me perfectly. And they're patent leather loafers. They're like a penny loafer, but they're patent leather. So you get that classic kind of style, but then you get a little bit of fun. Again, QR code, all of that's been on the screen here. And then if you do use my code and log in to take advantage of the savings and the discounts and everything, then these are going to pop up in your feed anyway. So, oh my gosh, these are available in a couple different colors too. There was a lighter color and then the brown. I don't think there was black, but I'm going out to dinner tonight with the boyfriend and some friends of mine. And yeah, we're definitely going to be wearing these, or I'm going to be wearing them. Fun fact though, we do wear the same size shoe. So he could wear them too if he really wanted to. There's also like another creator here. His name is Sean. And Sean does Temu hauls as well. And I was watching one of his the other day. And he says, is it a sleigh or a yay? And I say, sleigh. Sean, what do you think? Let me know, guys. What do you think about these? I say sleigh. I'm so excited to wear those. This is an item that I'm very excited about. I want to try this. This is an LED corner light. And this LED corner light is kind of designed to have, first of all, it plugs in with USB. You are able to kind of connect this to your phone. And what's nice about this is that it gives you all these different colors and things. I think you can connect this to your phone. I don't want to tell you something wrong here. But how cool is this and the different options? I'm almost positive that you can do that. But you know what? Let's take a look at it because I'm going to set this up and you can see how this is going in the house. And I will kind of walk you through what the process is. But again, I think this is pretty cool. This is definitely pretty cool. All right, so here's the part of the video where I want your feedback and I want your help. I bought a men's jacket and I really thought that this could be super cool. Yes, it is kind of like a blazer. It is a camo inspired and it kind of looks like it's textured, like it would be like a corduroy or something, but it is not. And I thought that this could actually be kind of fun at first. And again, I'm kind of on the fence about it. It feels wonderful. The sizing is perfect. If you know your measurements, definitely use the sizing charts on Temu. So what do you guys think? I'm thinking that I'm going to put a blue like button-up shirt, a pair of jeans, maybe my shiny new patent leather brown loafers, and that could be a really nice dinner outfit. So again, I'm going to show you on screen what this looks like. So you have to let me know, and we'll honor Sean with this one. Slay or nay. I think it's pretty fun personally, and I've been curious about these jackets because I've seen them on Temu before. Again, it kind of looks like it's a corduroy fabric, like even when you look in there and you get really close to it. It is slightly raised, though. By the way, look at that ring. It is slightly raised. We might as well show the watch too. But it's, yeah, just let me know. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, that is my haul, and there are 2 different coupon codes that you've got to take advantage of. And again, I will go over them really quickly. To save $100, use code KAA3488. And again, what you want to do is go to that search bar and type in KAA3488. That is the code that's going to unlock the coupon code that is appropriate for you. And then the flash sale code, that is KNH7975. That flash sale is only valid for 24 hours, so you want to take full advantage of both of these codes because you can save all kinds of money and you can get some really spring finds from Temu. All right, you guys, until next time, I will chat with you later. Bye.